Hello guys, Dmitry Bonder there. On Friday 16th, the price of Dogecoin reached almost $0.50. Dogecoin now is officially number 5 cryptocurrency in the world with a market capitalization is about $52 billion, bigger than Cardano and Tether. And I see very soon we will be living into the new futuristic Dogecoin world of cyberpunk, and world where Dogecoin costs $1 or maybe even higher. Okay, it's a joke, but what is not a joke that Dogecoin impressed us, surprised, shocked this week. But now let's get back to reality and ask yourself, what were the reasons why Dogecoin has risen in a price by 400% over the past week and took the 5th place among the largest cryptocurrencies? I tried to check every article, every video on YouTube from every top cryptocurrency streamers I was able to find. And there are some of my findings for you guys. Some of them are obvious, but some are not. So keep watching till the end, smash the like button if you like Dogecoin. If you don't like Dogecoin, smash the like button as well. And the first reason why Dogecoin is relevant is the Coinbase listing. The most popular US virtual currency exchange went public on Wednesday and briefly hitting 1 billion market cap in a landmark momentum for cryptocurrencies. The excitement around Coinbase's debut led to a surge in the price of Bitcoins and Ethereum. Bitcoin hit a record high of more than 64,000 on Thursday, while Ethereum briefly topped 2,500 for the first time Friday morning. And Dogecoin has been no exception to this frenzied interest in these digital assets. And after the Coinbase IPO, the value of Doge reached almost 15 cents for the first time, and its capitalization exceeded $18 billion. It was the first push for the increasing investors' interest. And it was a sign for the big Dogecoin army to be at least ready for the next act of the show. Hurrah! And as you may guess, the second and the biggest one reason why Dogecoin jumped was a token support from Elon Musk. He's made several tweets about Dogecoin, which in turn has helped push up price a lot. These tweets made it double to be correct. And his last post on Dogecoin was comment on a picture from another user who showed that the altcoin is approaching the 25-cent mark. Musk posted on Twitter the famous painting by Spanish artist John Miro, Dog Barking at the Moon, and wrote in a post that was a Doge barking at the moon. The billionaire has called Dogecoin his favorite cryptocurrency and the people's crypto. And Musk has also come out as a supporter of Bitcoin, with his electric car company buying $1 billion worth of the cryptocurrency earlier this year. But his tweets have worried some investors, given their apparent ability to move markets. And some Bitcoin investors, for instance, have sounded the alarm about Musk's Dogecoin tweets every time. Okay, the third reason, not very obvious one, was well described in the Meet Kevin video, where he said that it was a perfect timing for Dogecoin. No big news, no scandals, stocks are pretty flat, everything was so boring. I'm kidding. So it was like a perfect storm to start. Many retail investors lost their trust in dividend stocks, US bonds with a boring 1-2% return per year, in some growth stocks that were considered to be pretty complicated investment assets for young amateur investors. So they focused all their attention to alternative cryptocurrencies, and many of these cryptocurrencies were pretty stable in the last 2 weeks. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, XRP, Cardano, Polkadot, many of these alternative cryptos were fluctuating maybe plus 10, minus 10% in the last 10 days. So their volumes were pretty stable. And there where Dogecoin started to shine and show began. On Thursday, millions of people rushed to buy Dogecoin, supported by Elon Musk's tweets and Coinbase IPO excitement. And you may ask, where all these investors went to buy their Dogecoin? Yes, you are right, Robinhood. And Dogecoin has attracted the attention of a large number of Robinhood users, huge numbers. On Thursday, online brokerage said there was a major outage in its cryptos trading feature after facing unprecedented demand. I'm sure I saw the same case somewhere, well, GME stocks. Oh Jesus, my dear Robinhood, you always stop trades when something is going to the moon. Please stop it! And this major outage worried a lot of Robinhood users. For instance, the Twitter account Breaking911 tweeted late Thursday. Robinhood users reported that the platform is restricting Dogecoin trends. The tweet received over 3,000 likes and 1,400 retweets since it was first shared. In a reply to the post, Robinhood tweeted early Friday, No, we didn't place any restrictions on a Doge trading. This is a false information. It was a technical error on an international restriction. We can only guess. So the most important feature is now back online and it didn't stop the crypto growth. That was a Robinhood reply. I have no idea whether Robinhood's statement was false or true, but what I know for sure that is the Dogecoin community plays an important role in Dogecoin price growth to almost 50 cents. So it's all about you guys, thank you. You maybe remember when a year ago Doge backers on a social media have set a target price of $1 for the coin. That looked like an aggressive target for a lesser-known crypto that had never traded over 10 cents until Wednesday. The mind-boggling froth around Dogecoin trading has of course created a litany of warnings from analysts that a bubble is forming. But that kind of database cynicism is being used as a fool by the army of Doge enthusiasts, egging each other on to keep buying. Now that $1 is an imminent reality, we should all pledge to hodl to $10, one user posted to Reddit board Dogecoin. Is that fair enough? Just want you to be aware that if Doge hits $10, it will equal Bitcoin's market cap, replied another user. Hodl until we all are millionaires, responded yet another. That was 99% of posts on Twitter and YouTube from a Doge community fans. And all of these fans expect to see Dogecoin growing to $1 or even higher. But what actually can push Dogecoin to $1 and became a number 3 crypto in the world after Bitcoin and Ethereum? I think that the Dogecoin needs some stabilization on the level where he is right now. If that happens and Dogecoin stabilizes, then we could start getting some actual real uses for Doge, like maybe PayPal joins, maybe Square joins, maybe Tesla joins. That is my opinion when you potentially have a catalyst breakout where you push out over a buck. And I don't know if without getting those uses that we are going to push over $1. So the hope now is we want to stabilize while still moving up, ideally getting to the third position. And I would love if we hit $1. And my guess is we are probably going to have to see a Dogecoin move to position number 3 or maybe number 5 to stabilize in some way on these positions, and maybe for a month and for a quarter we will see a continuous use of Dogecoin by big companies and big providers like a PayPal, maybe Square, maybe someone else. And then many big companies can say, okay, hey, it's not so volatile, it's stabilized and we got lots of holders, so let's include it as a payment method. Boom! And maybe Dogecoin becomes something much more than mainstream crypto. One more serious note and concern at the end of this video. It's clear that for the last year the price of Dogecoin is not driven by any fundamental analysis or real-world use case, but instead the excitement and enthusiasm for an unexpected meme, combined with the hope of one day making a lot of money. When you are buying Dogecoin, what you are really buying into is something that wasn't meant to be taken too seriously, that people trust just for fun, and it winds up being something in the future, so be it. That is why I have some bubble concerns. Dogecoin's skyrocketing price has led to worries of a potential bubble in the cryptocurrency market. People are buying the cryptocurrency not because they think it has a meaningful value, but because they hope others will pile in, push the price up, and then they can sell off, make a quick buck. So when everyone is doing this, the bubble eventually has to burst, and you're going to be left shortchanged if you don't get out in time. And it's almost impossible to say when that's going to happen. This is doubly the case in the cryptocurrency market, where a small group of players often hold a huge chunk of the total number of coins in circulation. And that means that it only takes one big person to dump all their holdings for the entire market to tank. To conclude, I want to say that the price prediction for Dogecoin is quite obvious. Altcoin can only grow further if it continues to be talked about. If there are no more mentions of Dogecoin, then there will be a collapse, since the trading volumes of the digital coin are not very large. But anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Please support my channel if you like my video on Patreon, link in the description. Send me your comments, likes, dislikes, whatever you have, and peace out.